Good evening, everyone. My name is Shubhra. I am Assistant Professor in IIMT College of Management. I am the Faculty of Reasoning in the BBA department. Today, we will learn and discuss what is sitting arrangement, what is the key concept, and how we will solve the questions, and some tricks and tips to solve these questions easily. Key concept. Sitting arrangement questions are based on the sitting sequence pattern. Sitting sequence pattern is if they are sitting in a line or in a row, then what is the pattern? Direction. Direction may be north, south, east, or west. Facing inside or outside. If it is in polygon or bounded shape, then there will be inside or outside. Inside means uh, in the inside the circle. They are facing inside circle or center. Center. They are facing center. Or outside means they are facing outside circle. That means their back is inside the circle or any other shape or their face is outside. The candidate is required to understand all the conditions given in the question as the given information may be in the example form. Whatever question in the examination, then we have to read these information very carefully. These information may be in jumble form, and then by these information we will arrange all the all the information and then we will find what is the actually problem and how we can solve. Candidates have to segregate these information and make the arrangement as per the given conditions. Sitting arrangement logical reasoning question may be along a straight line, along a shaped circle, triangle, rectangle. Now, what is arrangement? Sitting arrangement is a process of making a group of people sit as per a prefix manner. Means in sitting arrangement there will be a manner that is predefined. The sitting arrangement reasoning questions are based on the set of information including a certain set of conditions. Means whatsoever question comes, then we will study that carefully and we will arrange this information and conditions. Information of the arrangement of the people in a row around a circular shape, around the rectangular shape, whatsoever conditions there will be, then we will arrange these questions. Types of sitting arrangement. There are different types of sitting arrangement and we will try to know, we will discuss here what are the different linear arrangement, linear sitting arrangement. In this type of linear sitting arrangement, candidates are required to arrange people in a row or multiple rows. Whatsoever conditions is given, candidate need to identify the exact position of the object and their position with respect to one another based on the information given in the sitting arrangement question. There are the three types of linear sitting arrangement: single row, unidirectional, single row, bidirectional, and dual row. What is single row? Unidirectional means there is a row or line and they all are facing same direction, whether north, south, east, or west. Single row bidirectional means they the people or the object we will set, they will face in opposite side. That someone is facing north, someone will face south, someone is facing east, then someone will face west. And a dual row means there may be two rows in a particular question. There's for example, row A or bench A and bench B or row B. Then the question will be that some person, 3 or 4 person are sitting on both bench or line. Then we will arrange the information according to that conditions. Circular sitting arrangement. We can see in the slides that here some chairs are in a circular form, and in this type of circular sitting arrangement, people will be sitting around a circular table. And now, this is the most frequently asked problem in all competitive exams, wherever or wherever reasoning questions will ask. It is also different types. Some are here. Circular unidirectional. Circular unidirectional means uh, candidates are required to arrange people around a circular table and everyone will face in the same direction, either inside or on the outside. Means here this is a circular sitting arrangement. Here 7 person are sitting. Someone is all these all are facing the center. They all are facing center. If we will arrange outside the circular, that means their face will be outside and back will be uh, inside the circle. Circular bidirectional, someone is facing inside and someone is facing outside. And mostly questions where unidirectional questions are very easy to solve and bidirectional questions are very tough. In these type of circular city arrangement questions uh, arranged by the information whatsoever given. Polygonal arrangement. A polygon is a closed figure, or it may consist 3 side, 4 side, 5 side, and so on. So, sitting arrangement reasoning question, people will be seated around the different shape of the table, such as triangle. How to solve sitting arrangement questions? Some tricks and method we will discuss here. For sitting arrangement, most of the people or candidate confuse from where we have to start these questions. If it is given in the question that A is second to the left of B and A is third to the right of B, whatsoever, then we will start the question from here only. If it is given that A is 3 people away from B and B is 3 people away from C, then we will not start by these information, only left and right information. If it is given, then we will start the question to solve. Here we will solve one question that is related to setting arrangement and we will solve this question. Let's read first. Study the following information carefully and answer the question given below. 8 persons A, B, C, D, F, G, and H are sitting around a rectangular table in such a way that 2 persons sit on each of the 4 sides of the table facing the center. Persons sitting on opposite sides are exactly opposite each other. D faces north and sit exactly opposite H. E is in the immediate left of H. A and G sit on the same side. G is exactly opposite of B, who is on the immediate right of C. A is next to the left of T. So how we will solve this question? Let's try to solve on the whiteboard. In the question, it is given that each person, 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H are sitting around a rectangular table in such a way that two persons sit on each of the four sides of the table facing the center. So first of all, we will draw a rectangle, and then it is given that they are the eight persons and two on both sides. Okay. Now it is given that person sitting on the opposite side exactly opposite to each other means if someone is facing to the south, then it is exact opposite to north, vice versa. And D faces north and sit exactly opposite to H. It is given that D is facing north and sit exactly opposite to H. Here is only two possibility that D will sit on the north side. Only this one and this one. Now it is given that E is in the immediate left of H. And what is the left of H? That is this one. If it is going to clockwise direction, then it is left. And if it is going to right side, then it is anti-clockwise. So now it is saying that A and G sit on the same side. A and G will sit on the same side. Only two possibilities are here. One, this one, and this one, this one. G is exactly opposite of B, who is on the immediate right of C. Because we can't say that where is A and G, so we will skip this information. And now A is next to the left of D. A is next to the left of D. Then what will be the left of D? This side and this. Because it is given that A and G will sit together only one side, then the possibility to be rejected. So the possibility we will solve the with the possibility 1. Here it is given that A is next to the left of D and A and G sit together and B is to the just opposite of G, and also it is given that C is the B is the right of C, and only one person left, that is F. And we will solve the question whatsoever asked by this information. So the seating arrangement is A, G, H, E, B, C, F, and D. Now we will move to our question and we will see what is the question asked on this information. With that information, we will solve these questions. Who is sitting opposite A? As we solve that question, we find out that uh, C is the opposite of A. Who is next to E in clockwise direction? Means who is to the left side of E? That answer is B. Which of the following pair of the person has both the persons sitting on the same side with the first person sitting on the right of the second person? Means first is right to the second, and the if we will look the our solution, then we will find that only A and G is the right answer. Thank you so much. Have a good day.